All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel. Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And as we look at these charts, we're going to look at a few charts here, and I'm not really going to do the resistance and support like I usually do. I've already done videos on most of these, but something was looking very interesting, and I saw a correlation between these different ticker symbols as I was doing the videos. So I really need you guys to tune in, and I just like to point out things to every single investor and viewer that comes across my channel, and everyone in general, even if you're subscribed or not subscribed, you've come before and watched videos here, or you've never came across this channel and you're here for the first time, or you don't even know that you're listening to this channel. This just popped up right there on your screen. I'm cool with it, but I really like to point these things out because a lot of this type of behavior indirectly and directly affects all the stocks or other stocks, right? But one thing that's interesting is all of these are in different sectors. Some of them may be in similar and others are in different, and there are some things here that are correlating based off the chart's movement, because remember, a lot of this short squeeze are coming from the same sources. So once everybody starts to make the same decisions, it starts to reflect in the chart. So SNDO had a run today. So we started off right there because I'm starting the video, but I really want us to focus in on these stocks here. So they're not going to look exactly the same because they all react differently, and they have different volume size, different price targets, and different price sizes also, like when it comes to per share. So Naked Brand Group ran up, and you see a little bit of red, right? Okay, and we saw a drastic drop, but it leveled off at 210. I'm not saying it's going to drop any further. We did the whole analysis. If you want to see those videos, you'll see it in my recent uploads. Just go straight to my page, target right down there at Invest for Tomorrow logo, and I should take you to my direct page, and you'll see my recent uploads. But okay, that happened. And then I see, I'm doing AMC. Okay, pulled back, ran up, pulled down. Okay, we saw that there. I was like, okay, AMC, a little pullback. That's normal. Let's see what happens. We have the points here of reference to know how to react tomorrow as investors, right? Make our own rational decisions. But very interesting. And then we go to Nokia. Ran up, pulled back, kind of fought to stay up, and okay, we had a big drop here. So this dropped a little bit like the first one, like Naked Brand, like a big drop. It's not the same amount of candlesticks doing it, but they're doing some similar formation of drops, right? AMC, pretty long one here as well. This is actually the longest candlestick of the whole day. Not even these reach and touch the red line. This one's right down here at the bottom. And then we have CTRM. This ran up. This is looking like SNDL. I found that interesting. And these two are penny stocks. I haven't been able to do a video on this. I apologize to all my viewers that typically see this, but I'm one guy, so many different ticker symbols, right? And then we go to Blackberry. Blackberry is showing a different type of movement. I mean, a lot more candlesticks on the downtrend, right? We already went ahead and see this rise up, hit up here at 28, and then we're just seeing these candlesticks just add up on the downward trend. Very interesting as well. And then we come down here to Express. Express, long candlestick again. It's been in the downtrend. We want to pay close attention to that. And then we have GNUS brands. This is looking a lot more like way up here when we looked at AMC with the longest candlestick, Naked Brand with the longest candlestick, and Nokia with a pretty long candlestick. And then we come right back down to GNUS with the longest candlestick. These are indirect correlations. They're not exactly the same, and there's no reason to say they are directly correlating, but they have indirect correlations. And then let's look at Gamestop. Gamestop, the long candlestick again. So they're all ending with the longest candlestick after hours, and they're all slightly dipping. Now, does that mean run? Does that mean charts are completely destroyed? No. But you definitely want to be vigilant on these supports, okay? I want every single investor to be aware of this. You want to pay close attention to the supports here of these ticker symbols moving forward. And another thing too, this stock, right, GameStop, had a big run, and every single one of these have as well. Now, we did see it level off. We even saw it pull back here, and the run continued. So I'm not saying that the run has ended. I'm just seeing an interesting correlation within the last couple of hours. Now, since I haven't had time to do GameStop, I'm just going to quickly tell you guys here the support, and that's 235. It's at 277, and then the resistance level is 372. That definitely needs to be broken through to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. Now, the next one after 235, 232, down at this area, the next one would be down here at 200. And the 50-day moving average is slightly above that at 206. So keep these numbers in mind. That was the whole analysis, kind of briefly and quickly stated on the ups and the down parts in both spectrums, right where we're at right now at 277 for GameStop. So write that down. This is going to have the heading of GameStop stock chart analysis, and a lot of people are going to say, well, where's the GameStop stock chart analysis? Well, I'm kind of just adding it in towards the end. So I want everybody to stay tuned till the end of this video though, because I have a ticker symbol that you won't want to miss. You definitely want to add this to your watch list. It's been moving upwards, kind of consolidated, and a lot of things are changing for that company moving forward. And then the vaccine rollouts and a lot of different market share opportunities for this company are coming to fruition. So stay tuned till the end for that. But if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Now guys, I'm not here to tell you guys, buy, sell, or hold, or panic sell or anything like that, and I'm not trying to be, not a bull or anything like that, but I do see some clear signs here of all of these correlating with that long candlestick towards the end, the longest one of the whole day, and slight pullbacks. Now, we've seen it pull back and they continue to run, so I'm not completely saying that the charts are destroyed, but I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention. I hope you guys are catching on to this and watching this closely. As always, stay tuned till the end, share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. And if you're a first-time viewer, smash that subscribe button and click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Stay tuned till the end so you don't miss the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. So for everyone that has stayed to this point in the video, I definitely want every single investor to be aware of the fact that the ticker symbol I'm about to share, I've talked about it before. The link has been below in every single video in the description, and I'm going to retouch base on it, and I believe it's a ticker symbol every single investor in the near future should have on their watch list, whether it's after watching this video or focusing on other stocks or just adding it to your watch list and keeping it on your radar. You definitely want to have this one right there. You're watching its movement, watching its behavior, and you definitely want to do research on it. I've talked about it before. This ticker symbol is WBA. I'm here to retouch base on it because Walgreens Boots Alliance Inc. has had a slight pullback, but it's showing healthy signs of growth. If you look at the video when I did it, it was way back here around $42, $41 and some change. I don't really remember just yet where it was at, but it's down below. The description down below has the link. You'll definitely want to see that video to get a better understanding of my theory, my analysis, and what I'm seeing overall in the chart, because I go all the way back to the year 2000, all the way leading until now. And for now, it's looking like it's having some type of effect on the positive side. And then also some of the new news, I went ahead and pinned the comment, the first comment down below in the comment section of that video, the one down below in the description. And I'm talking about some of the growth expansions that WBA is having moving forward. Like, it's really expanding and it's partnering up with others. So you definitely want to see why the reasoning behind this has potential, and you definitely wanted to have it on your radar. So we talked about it back here around $41, $42. It grew all the way up to $49, slight pullback. And this was a time to reconsider if this was the time you wanted to get in, if you haven't already. And if you were already in, you were going to see it as an opportunity. There's always two ways to look at a stock when it's going down. depending on what your end goal is and where you're trying to see this go and how much more potential you see. So opportunity to get out and say goodbye to the stock or put it back on your watch list, or opportunity to get in with more or for the first time. And here we are seeing it run up again. It hit highs of 55. That was pretty volatile for Walgreens, but it hit a high here of about 53, brought itself back down, and it's consolidating right now at 51. So far, it's holding itself up nicely from $46. Is there potential for this to continue to work its way up? Certainly. And with all the news on vaccine rollouts and the goals of the new administration, that's just going to benefit Walgreens tremendously. So if you want a full thorough analysis on everything that I talked about back when I found out that this was an opportunity to have on your watch list and watch closely and keep it on your radar, because I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold, but I am here to enlighten every single investor. Go down below in the description. In that link, you'll see it. It says the Walgreens must add to your watch list, and it has the potential to 2x your money. And the reason why I say that is based off the history of the chart and moving forward, the potential that Walgreens is having. I mean, it's partnering up to the point that it's even going to have clinics, according to articles and information on what they're doing and rolling out moving forward, plus vaccine hopes, vaccine revenue, market share, and so forth. And they're usually administering vaccines, right? So Walgreens has that. And then there's a whole nother theory that you definitely want to tune in on, because I go ahead and break it down. I could be completely wrong or completely correct, but I highly encourage you guys to check out everything that I have to say about it. And I look forward to seeing your guys' comments down below in the comment section about that video, either here or on that video, on how you feel about what I see and what we're seeing already, how the chart has moved. So definitely add this to your watch list and keep it on your radar if you have not already. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.